Hello, good evening. My name is Farid, the team lead for Motivated Orange for the Game Plus Africa Game Jam. I and my teammates, Darkrax and Waju Dami, we are Nigerian, uh, one of the contestants for the Nigerian division. Our game is the Water balance challenge. I'll prefer to do a bit of introduction before I show the game. Uh, the vision we had for our game was to create a game that will challenge the players' memory retention, resource management, and how well they can do solve mathematical arithmetic, simple mathematical arithmetic via video games. So we fall in the educational and sustainability division, which I believe is one of the first theme of the game jam. It's one of the first theme of the game jam, which is beyond the screen category of the theme. So I'm going to launch the game now for us to have a quick view of what our game project is about. Okay. So here is the logo screen of the game. And this is the main screen of the game, which features simple UI elements. We have the options, which contains the music and SFX, the help, which shows the objective controls, keynotes, and repair, which are other things you can perform in the game. And the game features the touch, the mouse click for the controls of the game. So here, once you load the game, you have a tutorial screen. Then the game starts. You click to move the character around. So the major objective in this game is to provide the required percentage of water required for each location. So for example, for this session, the farm requires a 30% water input. So we try to balance that. And if you see, we also have the UI elements that indicates that we've achieved the required target in the bottom left corner. So I'm going to try to match the required water percentage for each location. So here we have the band. The band requires 20%, and we got that quite easily. Then the city requires 50%. So what happens if you don't maintain this percentage is that over time the the loser is going to lose the community happiness, which is the key point for this game. The community happiness determines if the player wins the game or he loses the game. So if it hits zero, player loses. If it gets to 100, the player wins. So we have pipe that bursts. So once the pipe has like a flame on it, it indicates that the pipe burst, and we'll need the player to go around and the fix the pipes which got burst. Okay, so we're going to quickly fix this other ones. And if the burst pipe remains on for so long, the player is also going to lose community happiness. So it's a two-way street. So if you click on the pipe, the player is going to automatically repair the burst pipe. So then we have the game loop as simple as it is. So for this game jam, I basically did something simple. So the reason I did this was because I noticed from the theme of the jam, I did a bit of research and I found out that we need to cover up the merge education and learning together and also sustainability. So this game fosters sustainability and ensures that it encourages people to manage the water amount of water which they use for their daily activities, and also improves the critical thinking skill of individuals. So if you play this for so long, I believe it's going to improve such skill. So my plan for the next phase of this jam is to update the asset which I used, because the mismatch in assets, because I used free assets. It's also to expand the levels and create more unique levels, add a level selection screen where the user can select various level with increasing difficulties. So by including that and also tweaking the mechanics a bit and also adding extra features such as we could consider adding power-ups and other features to make the game more enjoyable. So I believe this pitch is going to make this the concept behind this game and the future target of this game to be recognized. Thank you for the opportunity.